I have never tried these before. This will be an honest review of Nathan's quarter-pound Colossal beef dogs.
Give me a beer, bub. Good boy. What a good boy. You trying to tell me something?
You know, we could have a filet mignon wrapped in bacon, but it's really hard to beat the basics. Here's a good large beef dog with a beer and some family. We've done a couple hot dog videos in the past, one where we compare every commercial beef dog, including Nathan's, although I must say the Colossal dog is different, and then when we made our own homemade hot dogs. For me, it's about the experience. I like to cook them slow, enjoying every minute of it. Not to mention, I don't want them as black as charcoal, but I want them done. That's the whole point of doing them on the grill. That's it, girl. Wear yourself out. Good girl. Good boy. It's nice to always have a wingman while you grill. I've never had these before, but looking at this, I've got high hopes. Now that they're almost done, it's time to get the dogs out of the water and start the bullfight. Start drying them off. If a dog is good enough, I can eat it plain, but to me, dogs are all about toppings. And I found these chips, fried ranch pickle chips. And instead of relish, I like doing a spear you cut yourself. It gives it a fresher taste with more bite. At that, let's assemble our dog, our pickle, stone ground mustard. Nothing else will do. Don't call me weird unless you've tried it yourself. Coleslaw on a hot dog is amazing. It's not mandatory, but I got silly with it and added some chips for crunch.
It's delicious. Would I recommend it? The trouble is it's 15 bucks for a pack of 8. I understand it's a quarter pound in each one times 8. You got 2 pounds of meat there. I would say it's better than a regular Nathan's hot dog. I did a video previously where I rated where Nathan's was on all the commercial brands. I like this one better than the regular one. I think that's obvious. Dress it up this way. I like cutting a pickle in a spear like that rather than relish. Gives it a little more bite. Coleslaw on hot dog is amazing. I actually prefer it to sauerkraut. I know that's sacrilegious to some of you. Overall, would I recommend it? I would say reserved for special occasions because of the price point. That said, it is my birthday. It is a special occasion. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching.